Alright, so let's try to put this thing back together, right?
What happened?
Oh no, this doorknob just fell off. It was broke to begin. It broke, and now it just flew off while we were driving.
The joys of owning an RV, I think.
Alright, so this is the third time I've tried to fix this thing. But
You think you can do it?
well, I know I can do it, but it's just. Will you come over and help me, please? Hey, did it work?
I don't think so. Ow!
What the heck?
Why does it do that?
I don't know. What's going on in there?
Well, I'm turning the doorknob, but it's not letting me out.
Alright, we're gonna try it again. Alright, hold on a second, I'll get you out of there. Take this sucker out. Fifth time is the charm.
Oh my god, is it gonna fall apart?
What? I don't know.
What do you do?
Well, yeah, it's gonna come off, because...
Oh, you're unscrewing
Yeah, I
it?
gotta unscrew. I have to literally take apart the entire mechanism. Ah! Alright, that's enough. Cut.
So, how's your handyman work going?
Yeah, it's good. It's really good.
I got out.
You got out. That's good. It's not fixed though. No.
I think you have to buy a new one.
Oh no. Is that normal? It's working. Just
Maybe
get-
it's this thing, the door jamb. Where is it? What are you doing?
I'm doing more door maintenance. This freaking door. We got one interior door, and it just doesn't want to last more than
2 months.
yeah. What the?
It's already started. That's what everybody says.
Yeah. Good times. Good times.